There will always be more work than you have hours in a day, especially if you're good at what you are doing. It's true. So unless we find ways to deal with the requests that are made of us by stakeholders, clients, even our managers, we are at real risk of drowning. Here's a tip that might be helpful. When requests are made of you in your time, what is the first question you ask yourself? Very often it is, how long will this take me? Meaning, how long will this take me to do it in the best possible way? When you react to this question, you're going off the road to maximum delivery, maximum effort. That is cool for very important tasks, but it's overkilling it and over-delivering for many other tasks where it doesn't need to be the best way possible, it just needs to be good enough. Here's a sequence of 3 questions that set you up for a better direction. Number 1, am I the right or the best person to do this work? If not, channel it to where it belongs, or where it better belongs. Number 2, given all the other things I'm working on and I need to be working on because they're valuable too, how much time should I invest in this? Relative importance. Everything is important by itself, but it's all about relative importance. And thirdly, given the time I have dedicated for this, what is the most helpful or most valuable thing I can do in order to progress the work? With these 3 questions, you assess the value first before you decide on your efforts. As you time box your effort, that's how it's called, make sure you manage expectations, because you might push back on requests, you might channel them, and you might sort of downscale them. Surprisingly, many people are really cool to have their expectation managed as long as it's ahead of time and on reasonable grounds. It's a really, really helpful habit to get into checking the first question you ask yourself and you might react to. Stefan, do it properly. It goes on the internet for everyone to see.